Introduction to PMO. The Project Management Office, commonly known as PMO, is a centralized team or department within an organization responsible for defining and maintaining project management standards. While many might associate a PMO with just overseeing projects, its scope is vast, encompassing different variations tailored to specific organizational needs. The Project PMO. The Project PMO is the foundational level, focusing primarily on individual projects. Its responsibilities include 1. Guidance, offering direction, best practices, and methodologies to ensure project success. 2. Resource allocation, ensuring that human, technical, and financial resources are appropriately assigned. 3. Monitoring, tracking the progress of the project against its timeline, budget, and quality benchmarks. 4. Documentation, maintaining a repository of project templates, lessons learned, and historical data to aid future projects. In essence, the Project PMO acts as a support system, ensuring that each project adheres to the best practices and delivers the desired outcomes. The Program PMO. When multiple projects are interconnected and share a common goal, they are grouped into a program. The Program PMO oversees such collections, with responsibilities like 1. Strategic alignment, ensuring that all projects within the program align with the broader organizational objectives. 2. Coordination, facilitating communication between project teams to ensure synergies and avoid overlaps. 3. Risk management, identifying potential risks across projects and devising strategies to mitigate them. 4. Benefit realization, monitoring the cumulative benefits and ensuring they align with the program's objectives. The Program PMO, with its broader perspective, ensures that the sum of the projects delivers more value than their individual parts. The Portfolio PMO. At the highest level, the Portfolio PMO manages a collection of projects and programs, ensuring they align with the organization's strategic goals. Its key responsibilities include prioritization, determining which projects or programs to pursue based on their strategic value and potential ROI. 2. Resource distribution, allocating resources at a macro level, ensuring that high-priority initiatives have the necessary support. 3. Performance analysis, evaluating the overall health and success of the entire portfolio against organizational objectives. 4. Stakeholder communication, keeping the organization's leadership informed about the portfolio's status, challenges, and successes. The Portfolio PMO plays a crucial role in ensuring that the organization's project investments align with its long-term vision and strategy. The Value Management Office, VMO. The VMO is another name for a PMO-type function and is commonly used in agile organizations. The VMO takes a unique approach, focusing not just on project completion but on the value delivered. Its main roles include 1. Value identification, defining what value means for the organization and how it can be measured. 2. Benefit tracking, monitoring projects and programs to ensure they're delivering the expected benefits. 3. ROI analysis, evaluating the return on investment for various initiatives to ensure optimal resource utilization. 4. Continuous improvement, using feedback loops to refine processes, ensuring maximum value delivery in future projects. The VMO ensures that every project or program doesn't just meet its objectives but significantly contributes to the organization's growth and success. The world of PMOs is diverse, with each variation playing a distinct role in driving organizational success. From the meticulous oversight of individual projects to the strategic management of vast portfolios, PMOs ensure that projects are not just completed but also align with and contribute to the broader organizational goals. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.